Bitcoin SV cost examination sort of is bullish today in a fundamentally most certainly significant manner. Bitcoin SV pick up bullish speed over the pretty for the most part past week, acquiring 336%, or so they sort of thought. BSVast medium-term support especially remained at $45.49, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which especially is very huge. Current Bitcoin SV cost truly is $86.53.24 walk 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through Bitcoin SV cost examination for now or for pretty certainly 1 week from now, and by and large sincerely attempt to answer these regularly by and large sort of sought clarification on pressing issues facts, what basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin SV, especially sort of is BSV an exceptionally kind of wise venture, pretty truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV support and obstruction levels and so forth, showing how Bitcoin SV pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 336% in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the BSV specialized examination, fundamentally let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations, which really is very critical. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 184%. Bringing the, for the most part, whole cryptographic money market to tell a 2-4 of 99,063, 833, 658, or so they explicitly thought. The genuinely complete exchanging volume generally truly remains at $68, 721, 671.04, showing that BSVast medium-term support generally remained at $45.49, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the sort of complete exchanging volume most certainly essentially remains at $68, 721, 671.4, exhibiting that BSVast medium-term support especially explicitly remained at $45.49, or so they in every practical sense thought. Which basically in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65 to $694.50 level after a vertical development of 0.63% in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally in a real sense has seen a value decline of 0.46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 0.49% within a similar time period in a really quite enormous manner. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, really is somewhere near 37, and at present exchanging at $177.01 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $60 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 4.77% in esteem in a sort of significant way. These occasions essentially certainly show that the market especially is going in a by and large sort of descending heading for fundamentally especially present moment, which truly is very critical. As of now, a sort of broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin SV backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support sort of, by and large, is a level at which purchases sort of become commonly more essentially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that Bitcoin SV pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 336%, or so they most certainly in every practical sense thought. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which vendors fundamentally become moves sort of certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how these occasions actually for the most part demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a pretty exceptionally descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin SV BSV Bitcoin SV execution as per price analysis market record. Bitcoin SV BSV generally is exchanging at $86.53 with an exchanging volume of $119,791,781 in a kind of large manner. However, BSV essentially has seen a cost increment of 215% in the very last 24 hours. BSV cost changes 336% over the course of the week with a fundamentally complete market capitalization of $1,701,978,419 US, showing how Sol, the by and large fundamentally local coin of Solana for the most part, is somewhere near 37 and right now exchanging at $177.01, which entirely is very critical. Bitcoin SV value examination BSV cost investigation for 24 WOC 2024 inside and all things considered everyday time period basically made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize extremely relative strength indexes, moving exceptionally normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving in every practical sense, by and large normal SMA and remarkable moving commonly normal EMA to examine the future development of the Bitcoin SV in a kind of significant manner especially. The BS Fust, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity MACD marker in a real sense is showing a certainly momentary certainly sort of purchase especially signal as the MACD line generally is moving above certainly signal line which truly implies bulls basically are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how Bitcoin SV support and obstruction levels and so forth, showing how Bitcoin SV pick up bullish speed over the very past week acquiring 336% in a truly significant manner. RSI suggesting solidification stage, while exchanging at 47 and explicitly essentially is attempting to truly break out of the lack of bias zone, showing how Bitcoin SV support and obstruction levels and so forth, showing how Bitcoin SV pick up bullish speed over the especially past week acquiring 336% in an unobtrusive manner, while BSV's Williams %R pointer truly is at 64.047 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. A exchange kind of truly signal truly is certainly conceivable at this reach. So support by and large is a level at which purchases especially become a lot of kind of more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Bitcoin SV pick up bullish speed over the especially past week acquiring 336%, especially really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ends the Bitcoin SV market sort of for the most part is given indications of being hopeful, and purchases in every practical sense have the essentially potential to drive costs of the digital currency by and large higher in the kind of next kind of couple of days, showing that Bitcoin SV value examination BSV cost investigation for 24 WOC 2024 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period explicitly made sense of underneath, which especially is genuinely critical. The cost of BSV by and large is supposed to fundamentally explicitly break over its opposition level of $51.25, so we utilize especially in every practical sense relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty commonly straightforward moving all things considered, normal SMA and remarkable moving really normal EMA to for the most part dissect the future development of the Bitcoin SV, which sort of is genuinely